Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be in the world. This one here is a 2010. It's the new model Volkswagen Transporter T30 2 litre turbo diesel, finishing factory silver. It's the 102 PS model, and it's got the factory fitted elevated roof, just a slightly higher roof line as you see up top there. Factory silver in colour, and in the couple of minutes that I have, I'll keep it nice and close with the camera and show you all that I can as I go around the vehicle. Very, very handy shelving down there. Now, I would say at this stage anything in the back here can be removed. Very often these transporters go for a camper conversion, especially with that raised up roof line up there. But the shelving, if it's of use to you, great, brilliant. If it's of no interest, we can remove it for you. We've got the same shelving over here on this side. Very clean down the centre gangway there. That just shows you how lightly and carefully the van's been used. And it's got a retractable vice. Again, if you're a tradesman, I'm sure you'd find that handy. If you are a motorhome or a caravan or an outdoor person, that will be of no use whatsoever. But I do stress, it can be removed if you don't need it, as can all the ironmongery, ironwork in the back there. But very clean, and you know what we're doing here is just giving you a good in-depth tour of the vehicle to show you just what a nice fresh van it is. And we do find these photographs can do so much more than just a basic couple of photographs. Here we are coming down the back doors. And we'll work our way around the back of the van and come round to the near side now. The side loading door is open. Right, here we have an inverter. We haven't checked it, but I don't make any guarantees that works. I've no reason to think that it doesn't work, but we'll sell it with the vehicle. We're not inverter specialists, we're commercial vehicle specialists, but I'm sure it works, and there's nothing to make us think that it doesn't work, but it is there for you to muck about with if you're that way inclined. In the back again, here we are, just show you up the back doors, up over the roof line. And come round into the driver cabin. We've got nice clean upholstery, no burns, stains, holes, tears, no strange odours. It's all very factory crisp. And I know we've been selling vehicles here for a long number of years, 36 to be precise, and I know that the Volkswagen van buyer is a very discerning person, and you guys certainly don't like the rough vehicles, and we don't either. We operate very much the top end of the scale, nice crisp, clean vans with the proper story, and that's why we're only too happy to do these videos to show you just the quality of the stock we have. Air conditioning there, very handy thing to have on a transporter van, and very much in demand. Down onto the floor line there, it's all very much as it should be. Right, here we are coming round to the front of the vehicle, just sweep round the bonnet, round the bumper area with the camera, hopefully cover all that I can. And there we have, incidentally, another new van going to its new home, if you're interested at all, over there on our trailer. Sorry, I just thought I'd throw that in. We do delivery all over the UK, so that one's heading to the Scottish borders, if I remember. Anyway, right across the driver's seat, my iPhone isn't included, and once again, all correct, present, ship shape, as it should be. Right, we've got the logbook here confirming it's one owner. We've also got 3 pages of service prints. Now these are great, I love these, they're as close as you're ever going to get to a crystal ball. Every time the van has been in a dealership for maintenance, repair or service work, it's all listed here, the time, the mileage, the date, who did it, what was done and why it was changed. And that is very comprehensive, and that is a great selling tool for me. So you can really look into the past and see the van's history. And we've got 3 pages, nothing scary at all exactly as it should be. Handily enough, I've just noticed this as I've turned the page there, 106,000 miles at the new clutch fitted. The van today has got 122 on it. So that was in September last year. It's already a new clutch, which is good news. MOT until April this year. So probably put an MOT on it. When we buy these things from the leasing company, we also get access to an AA engineer's report. So it's again a great selling thing for me, or for us as a company. It covers all aspects of the vehicle, and interior checks, engine management light, ABS warning, oil light, airbag light, static gear selection, steering pump noises, blah blah blah, engine runs smoothly, and everything has got a green tick. Every single thing, bar one, which is the service light indicators illuminated, and that will obviously get a service before it goes. So it's got a cast iron paper trail. You've got that brilliant service history, you've got this cracking AA independent report that's done before we buy the van, and you know, if that doesn't put your mind at rest when buying a used van, by golly, nothing will. So despite all that paperwork I showed you, we still do our own in-house mechanical check, and we're very transparent about it. And we've got our own sort of 3-page vehicle check document that our technicians go through, and we show you that. We say, look, here's the vehicle, there's the mechanic's handwriting on the report, that's what we've done, that's what we found, that's what we rectified. And we never ever sell a van that we don't do something to. Now that might be a tyre, a wiper blade, in this case it'll be a service, a cracked light, or you know, every one of the vehicle we sell is a second-hand vehicle, and they've all had a first life before they come to us. So we invest money in every vehicle that we've got, and we're completely transparent about how we conduct our business, and we only sell the very best of what's out there. Right, so another interruption, I'm sorry about that. Right, so we'll just finish up now. This one is a 2010 Volkswagen Transporter T30 2-litre TDI 102 horsepower, factory silver, with air conditioning and a slightly elevated roofline there. 122,000 miles with a full service history, and a very, very, very level van it is indeed as well. Not a hard work van, clearly been somebody's pride and joy, and whether it be going back to work with this van, or whether it be for a camper or a day van conversion, that is an ideal base for either. But we know our vans, we breathe and sleep vans 36 years now, and that is a very, very comfortable, smart looking van. As per company policy, just before I finish, I'll say the usual line that I do in all the vehicles: everything that we sell is second hand. Everything that we sell has had a first life before it comes to us, and it may have marks and imperfections commensurate with age, mileage and use. My name's Barry, thanks for your time, and I hope to speak to you soon.